Welcome students, this is Chandan Singh Negi and today we are going to solve this is fundamental principle of counting. This is fundamental principle of counting. Fundamental principle of counting. See this one. That is not the part of course in this year only, and but for understanding the further concepts, we need to understand this one. Fundamental principle of counting. What is the fundamental principle of counting? Rather the definitions of. Just give the examples. Like we have 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 numbers, and we have to find out or check it how many 2-digit numbers can be formed by this one. This is 1, 2, 3. Now this is, we need this 2-digit number. So I have draw these 2 blocks, right? So 2 blocks, and how many numbers are there? See this one, 1, 2, 3. That is unit digit. And that is 10th digits. 10th digits, right? So we have to form 2-digit number out of 3. So now see this one, the unit digit. What should I write? Unit digit. Whether I write this is 1, or I write this is 2, or I write 3. So unit digits can be filled by these 3 numbers. 3 numbers. How many numbers? 3 numbers. So unit digit can be filled by 3 digits, right? Numbers, not this is digits, right? The unit digits can be filled by 3 digits. We have 3 digits, and now see this one. If I have 10th digit, and if I can write the 3 again, or 2 again, or 1 again, like example, there are 2 conditions. One is repetition of digits, repetition of digits allowed, and number 2, repetition of digit not allowed. There are 2 conditions. Repetition of digit allowed means example this one. If I write this is 1 here, and if I I can write this is 1 again, this one only 3 digits, and 1 can be repeated, that is 1, that is 11, 2, 2, 3, 3. So that means 11, 22, and 33, where the digits are repeating. So if these 3 digits are included, so that means repetition of digit is allowed. In first case, if repetition of digit is allowed, so then again I can write 3, I can write 2, I can write 1, right? So that means we have 3 digits. So a fundamental of principle says that how many digits can be formed is 3 into 3, that is called 9. So we can form 9 digits. That means 3 and 3, and means here this is multiply, right? 3 and 3, that means and, that is 9. It is not that the 3. This 3 is digits. How many digits? 3 digits. And remaining digits, if I put 1, this one, so again 3 digits. See, that is the repetition is allowed. So that means 9 numbers can be formed. You can check out this is 1, 2, 3. That is very simple examples I have given. Okay, see this one. Now case number 2. If repetition of digit is not allowed. See, if I write any one, or like I write 3, one of this one. So for the unit digits, I have 3 choices. Whether I can write 1, or I can write 2, or I can write 3. But if I write 3 here, and repetition यानी कि 3, 11, 22 and 33 is not included. So that means here I cannot write 3 again, right? So that means how many digits I have now? I have only 1 and 2, so there is 2 digits. So how many numbers can be formed? This is 2 into 3, 2 and 3, this is 6. That means repetition. I'll see example, this one. If I write here 1, so I cannot write again 1. So the remaining digits are 2 and 3. So how many digits? 2, right? So 1 means the digits 1, right? From here. And but the option are, how many options are available? 3 available. That is whether I can write 1 or 2 or 3, right? So this is called repetition is not allowed. See, there is total number is 9 and 3 numbers. In 3 numbers the digits are repeated. So 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So that is the 6. Now somewhere you are in a hillist. You are very keen to climbing or trekking or anything else, or sometimes your crew members say that if you have 3 flags and says that if you put the 2 flags one below the one, so we will understand that you are in problem or you are in good situations and conditions. So there are 3 flags. Suppose we have 1 flag and we have 2 flag and 3 flag. So that is flag, this is flag, and this is flag, right? So there are 3 flags, and we need to show at least 2 flags to confirm that you are in not a dangerous situations, right? So then, so how many ways you can do this one? This flag, यानी कि we have to show these 2 flags here, first and second. So these flags, or this one or this one, out of 3, 1 flag has this one. So this first one can be filled by 3 ways. Whether you put this one flag or this one, you have 3 choices here. So here are the 3 choices. Now 1 flag has been fixed out. 1 flag has been fixed out. Like this is, we have to show these 2 chalks. One is the greatest length and the other smallest length. And we have to put this one. I have 3 chalks for different lengths. And the message, the signals convey by the at least 2 flags. We have 2 chalks. We have to show this one to the students whether they are understanding the concept or not. See, if I have 3 options for first position, whether I show first this one, or I show first this one, or we will show this one. If I show this one first, or any one, then it is fixed now. Now it is fixed, right? So this chalk has been fixed. That means this flag has been fixed over one of them. And now I have only two chalks available here to show, right? So whether I show this one first or I will show this one, it is not a magic, right? That is in second one, where this second one. Now for the first positions I have 3 choices, and now the second positions I have only 2 choices. So I just write this is 2 choices. So this is how many ways? 3 and 2 and 2. So this is total number of ways can be 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So then that means that 6 ways I can put these signals to inform our members, the crew members or our group members, right? So that one is called the fundamental principle of counting. So that means if see this one, if f different ways any events occurs m different ways and and one events occurs m different ways and another events occurs n different ways, then total number of ways will be m into n. That is the mathematical definitions. You will not understand much when you read this one, then you will understand this one. If I have the first events is m ways, and the second events is the n ways, the total number of ways can I put this one, that is m into n ways, right? Thank you students.